Say goodbye to lengthy, never-ending and boring law lectures and say hello to focused, concept-oriented and interesting law lectures for CA Inter, Corporate and other laws. Hi, I am CA Preeti Agarwal and I am excited to announce new batches for CA Inter Jan 26 and May 26 exams where we will study law for just 1.5 hours every day and still complete the portion with test series and prelims in approximately 4 months. Now this is possible as the lectures are focused on strategically covering the entire syllabus in a recorded format where you will be engaged in concentrated study without any distraction or wastage of time as in case of live lectures. You can rewind the lectures and listen to the concepts again and again till you are satisfied. Now, I had also conducted a poll and around 70% of the votes were for recorded lectures as they can be watched at your own convenience and going back and listening to the concepts again and again is possible. Now, the course includes recorded lectures. You will get one lecture every day. Okay, so one lecture will be uploaded every day. And you need to watch just one lecture every day and learn the provisions from my textbook immediately after watching the lectures. You will get hard copy of 3 books. So one book is the concept book. Second, you will get my law compiler. It is a detailed question bank. And you will also get an A3 size of the chart book. Now, these are all 3rd edition books. They are comprehensive, detailed and they cover the entire ICAI material but in very simple and easy to learn format. Now the concept book, it covers all the concepts, all the provisions with keywords highlighted for your reference. We will study each and every line from this book. My law compiler is a detailed question bank covering all the past exam questions, study material, RTP, MTP questions in proper format like provisions, facts, analysis, conclusion. The chart book is an A3 size color book which is useful for regular revision as well as last minute revision. The course also includes MCQ Smartbook, which is a printable PDF and it covers more than 500 simple MCQs as well as case study based MCQs. You will also get access to 25 MCQ Practice Test. Now these quizzes will help you to score full 30 marks in MCQs asked in the exam. The course also includes Chapterwise Test series, Prelim Papers, doubt solving, that is personal doubt solving and mentoring. I will share my WhatsApp number with you and you can get your doubts solved immediately. The early bird batches are starting from February 10th, 2025. You can enroll after your results also. You will get the access to these lectures even if you enroll after your results, but it is always best to start early. Now, if your attempt is in May 26, you can enroll after your board exams. To enroll, visit my website capreetiagarwal.com. You can also contact me on the number given in the description box. So let's get ready to learn law like never before. Enroll now.